Everyone, this is Clay with Kobiton. I'm going to quickly show you how to reboot a device in the Kobiton platform. So if you have any private or local devices, you are able to reboot those devices from the Kobiton web interface. So you can simply come up here, go to Settings, and then Device Management, and you'll be able to see all your separate really servers or Mac minis and which devices are connected, and see which devices are also live. And from here, you can simply click this restart button and it will restart or it will reboot the devices themselves. You can also see if the device is in an online state or a utilizing state. So if someone has an automation script running or someone else is utilizing that device, if you do restart it, is going to kick them out or end that test session. So if you're trying to reboot devices periodically to help with stability or help with performance, simply come up here, click restart, click restart again just to confirm. This device is going to go offline. You see it will be down here on this Mac, but it will come back online within a minute or two. But that's simple and easy, and it's also would be reflected here in the interface as well. So the Pixel 2 is busy, the OnePlus 5 is offline, and we'll be back momentarily. Thanks.